How to get Canva Pro for free lifetime in 2024 with this step-by-step guide. In this video, we'll show you how to get the Canva Pro free team link to unlock all the premium features of Canva Pro without paying a dime. You can join team link to access Pro account. Link is in the description. Open the link in the browser. Scroll the page. Join the any one team. Whether you are a graphic designer, marketer, or business owner, Canva Pro can help you create stunning designs in minutes. With our easy-to-follow tutorial, you will be able to access Canva Pro for free and take your designs to the next level. I'll show you how to get Canva Pro free, 100% working and legit. This method uses the Canva team invite link, which someone has been kind enough to set up and share. If you're using Canva, the benefits of using Canva Pro: access to millions of premium stock photos, videos, and graphics. You can use these assets in your designs without having to worry about copyright infringement. Create custom brand kits, save your brand colors, fonts, and logos so you can easily apply them to all your designs. Resize designs with Magic Resize. This feature lets you resize your designs for different platforms without losing quality. Schedule social media posts. Schedule your designs to be automatically posted to your social media accounts. Remove backgrounds from images. This feature is perfect for creating product mockups or other designs that require transparent backgrounds. Collaborate with others, share your designs with others, and work on them together in real time. Download designs in high resolution. Download your designs in PNG, JPG, PDF, and SVG formats.